Right, just in the hide now for not long because it's cold. Anyway, come in the hide and I found this. Now, what do you reckon this is? It's quite damp. It's a pellet of some kind, but from what bird do you think that is from? I'm going with barn owl. I'm going to open it up in a minute, see what's inside, and we can find out what species it probably is. Right, here's that pellet. Right, let's have a look inside, see what we can see. Actually, let my glasses first because I can't see bug all. Let's get my glasses out. Right, glasses. Yeah, just as I thought. Yeah, barn owl. It's got little tiny bones in it, so probably from a field mice or bank vole. Yeah, and there's part of a skull. Part of a skull there. One of its claws. That's a claw. Rib cage. Yeah, there's been a barn owl in here. Yeah, part of rib cage. I'd say definitely barn owl. There's another skull here as well. I've just found. There's two skulls. So it's obviously came in here and it's regurgitated its pellet. They can't swallow bones. Well, they can swallow bones, but they can't digest them. So they bring up in pellet form. This one's still quite damp. So I wonder if this is quite fresh. Yeah, great, eh? Let's just show you what I've got. I'll tell you what, it's been feeding well, this barn now, because it's full of bones. Anyway, this is what I've got so far. There we go. Excellent. That's a nice little find. So I've collected loads of barn owl pellets over the years. Kept them in a box, but I chucked them away because they got a bit smelly, so I chucked them. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, a bit of field craft. I can't focus on that. Yeah, that's nice. Barn owl pellet. Nice find.